Good evening and Malay Vanakkam. Our eminent chief guest of this glorious day, Dr. Nandini Rangaswamy, Chairperson and Founder Trustee of GRG Institutions, MD of Chandra Group of Companies, Coimbatore. Honorable Chairman of our school, Sri Sukumaran. Beloved Correspondent, Mrs. Kirtana Sri. Admirable Managing Trustee, Mr. Vijay. Respected Correspondent of Aditya Public Metric Higher Secondary School, Mr. Praveen. Mr. Raja Gaud, Dean Sri Chaitanya Techno Schools, Mrs. Chandrakala, Principal, Sri Chaitanya Girls Senior Higher Secondary School, other distinguished trustees, adorable guests, well-wishers, invitees, parents, teaching and non-teaching faculties, and my dear children, a warm welcome to all for our 6th annual day celebration. I am delighted to present you the annual report of Aditya International School for the year 2019-20. Affiliation. We are happy to share the glad news that our school has got senior secondary affiliation till grade 12 with effect from April 2019, and the affiliation number is 1930633. Board exam results. Excellence in academics is hallmark of a good institution. Our first batch students of grade 10 made us proud with 100% pass in the board exams. International School Award. It is indeed a pride that our school was awarded the International School Award for the year 2019-22 by the British Council. We made the whole school to participate in this program with 7 different topics. The award was received by the principal on 29th November 2019 at Hotel Taj Coromandel, Chennai. Best School Award. We are happy to inform you all that our school has received School Excellence Award 2019 by Brainfeed Academy, Hyderabad, with the categories Best CBSE Schools, Best Infrastructure, Co-curricular Activities, Building of Safety and Security, and Green Building Schools. This award was received by the principal in the month of December 2019 in Hyderabad. Investiture Ceremony. The investiture ceremony of our school was on 29th June 2019. It is the day when the newly elected leaders are given all their responsibilities. All-round achievers were considered for school parliament. Badges and sashes were handed over to the leaders by our correspondent Mrs. Kirtana Sri and Managing Trustee Mr. Vijay. Extracurricular activities. We provide a vast range of additional programs to support the students' overall development. These include Western dance, classical dance, karate, roller skating, swimming, yoga, instrumental music, chess, silambam, origami and clay modeling, which are conducted by expert coaches. Library. Our management strongly believes that library is a knowledge center and helps the children one-day training for all the staff members on teaching a noble profession was conducted by Dr. R. Krishnamurthy. All the teachers attended the Teachers Empowerment Program on Stress-Free Management, conducted by Upanisha Ananda Mandir, Salem. Our teachers also attended a workshop which was conducted by the Hindu newspaper under the topic Improving the Reading Skills of the Children. Parent Interface. The periodic parent-teacher meet provides a platform for two-way communication between teachers and parents. This year, we have increased the number into 4. Their valuable feedback has always been helpful and appreciated. Celebrations and functions. This academic year, we have celebrated Tamil New Year, Independence Day, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Teachers' Day, Onam, Navaratri, Children's Day, Christmas, Pongal, and Republic Day. Our KG children have celebrated Colors Day, World Health Day, Easter, Environment Day, Etiquette Day, Rainbow Carnival, Grandparents' Day, Hygiene Day, Food Day, Halloween Day, Carriers Day, Thanksgiving Day, Field Day, Traditional Day, and Drama Day. Sports Day. Sport is a great way for students to develop sportsmanship, achieve goals, learn cooperation, and stay physically fit. Annual sports meet was held on 21st December 2019 with Mrs. Navamani, Principal of Angappa Senior Secondary School, Secretary of Coimbatore Sagodaya Schools, as our chief guest. The sports day began with declaring the sports meet open, followed by the lighting of the Olympic torch, and the events started with full gusto. Field trips. This year, our children from grade 1 to grade 10 had visited Children's Traffic Park, Universal Peace Foundation, Isa Yoga Center, Ramayana Park, Science Research Center, Kalakaleswara Temple, and VOC Park. Our kindergarten children had 10 field trips during the academic year 2019-20. Domestic tour. As a part of study tour, our students from grade 4 to 10 have been taken to Cochin and Malambula Dam for 2 days, and they had wonderful experience to Treasure. International tour. To explore the children worldwide, the school has initiated a tour to Malaysia for 3 days, and this was offered to all the children from kindergarten to grade 10 along with their parents. This tour provided them a good exposure to learn more about other culture and tradition. Inter-school competitions. Our school has conducted various inter-school competitions in our premises to provide a platform to all the talents. We are proud that we have hosted 4 inter-school competitions. District level Sadurangam 19, a district level chess tournament along with Coimbatore District Chess Association. Tamil Mandram, a competition for literature and art. District level roller skating championship along with District Skating Association. Coimbatore Sagodaya's inter-school badminton tournament. Around 100 schools in and around Coimbatore with 2,000 students have participated in these tournaments. Science Expo. Our school has organized Science Expo in the month of October 2019. Dr. Raghunath, Director, Center for Bioscience Research Center, Ichanari, was the guest for the inauguration. 110 projects were displayed by grade 1 to grade 10 students. Competitive examinations. Our students have participated in the following competitive examinations like SOF and Spell Bee. It gives me a great pleasure to announce our students Danyasri of grade 1, Inanya of grade 2, Nagulan of grade 3, Balakumaran of grade 4, and Yugesh of grade 5 have secured gold medal. Jeffrey Selvan of grade 4 with the silver, and Sruthi of grade 4 with the bronze in International Math Olympiad. Adis of grade 1, Eva Matthews of grade 2, Jeffrey Selvan of grade 4, and Yukesh of grade 5 have got gold medal in International English Olympiad. Ritik of grade 2, Aditya Vijayakumar of grade 3, Balakumaran of grade 4, and Yukesh of grade 5 have secured gold medals in National Science Olympiad. 39 students from class 1 to 8 have participated in school level Spell Bee competition, and 34 have got selected for inter-school Spell Bee. Our children, Archa of grade 5 has secured 12th rank. Hasini of grade 5 has secured 63rd rank, and Yukesh of grade 5 has secured 86th rank in national level Spell Bee competition. Outside contests. Our students have participated in various outside competitions and brought laurels to our school. Pritika Prakash and Sri Salini of grade 10, Tarun Karthikeyan of grade 9, and Vidun Babu of grade 8 have participated in Science Expo 2019, which was conducted by GRD College of Arts and Science, and won second place for their project and got a cash award of rupees 7,500. Alan Tilak Karate School has conducted Karate Cup 2019 in Hindustan College of Arts and Science, and our students A.K. Sharves has got first place in individual kata and third place in individual kumite. Hitesh Jayakumar, Sarves P and Abhinav have secured second place in team kata. Iron, Achaya and Archa have secured third place in team kata. Iron has secured second place. Archa and Dejaswini have secured third place in individual kata. It is an honor that all the 8 students have been selected for the district level tournament. Students Development Society, Aurangabad has conducted national coloring, handwriting and essay contest for all the states in India, and around 80 children have participated from our school. It's a great honor that our children, Vinanya of grade 2 and Sarves AK of grade 4 have got Kala Ratna Award 2019 in coloring competition. And Namrata of grade 8 has received Kala Gaurav Award 2019 in handwriting competition. Tapasya Art School has conducted state level coloring, drawing and handwriting competition for the children from LKG to grade 10, and our child Akshita Vijay Kumar of UKG has secured third prize in coloring competition. Sharp Mind Academy has conducted state level competitions in coloring, drawing and handwriting. Vinanya of grade 2 has secured first prize in drawing. Namrata from grade 8 has secured second prize in handwriting. Tarun Karthikeyan of grade 9 has secured third in drawing. Nikhila of LKG, Inanya of grade 2 and Vainavi of grade 1 have got consolation prizes in drawing competition. Our student Sri Samyuta of grade 5 has secured second and third prize in district level roller skating tournament. She has also secured third prize in Coimbatore Sagodaya roller skating tournament. First place in district level roller skating championship conducted by our school, and third prize in Alayam Welfare Trust, a district level skating tournament. Discovery School Super League powered by Byju's has organized a competition in the subject Math and Science, and all our children from grade 4 to 10 have participated. 6 of our students have been awarded round 1 grade toppers. Out of 6 students, Archa of grade 5 and Namrata of grade 8 have been selected for round 2 qualifiers. Conclusion. I thank the management for their keen support in bringing up these events in a successful way. I also thank all the parents for their encouragement in every growth of the school. Thank you, everyone.